I'm going to be installing a winch on this trailer. A Badland winch, 12,000 pound from Harbor Fright. This is the mount here for the winch that you can also get at Harbor Fright. Specifically made for their winches. Just gonna cut a hole in the trailer here, a little bit bigger. I'm gonna put my roller right there. So we gotta cut down more. Gonna center it nice and straight here. I'm gonna drill a hole here and one over there, and I'm gonna do some welding too so it's nice and strong. Here we go. We got it all completely installed. 2 bolts here. Welded right there in the middle a bit. 2 bolts there. Well, there's little thing here so I can hold my battery. Pull it, free spool. We lock it up. Let it go. Right. In. This is how I wired it. Got the first black one going all the way over here, right here, going to the black on your winch right here. And second is this big red one, a really long one, and that will go to the power on your battery. And then this red one, it's the third one, will go to your red on your winch. It's color coded, red and red. And then this black one here, your fourth one, will go to the yellow, and again it's color coded, yellow and yellow. And then under here, which I highly recommend you guys put this one on before you install the winch, because it's a pain to get in there. That's where that one goes. And install it in like this. And this one goes to your negative on your battery. And you just connect your control here. Your winch is ready.